Hi, boys and girls, it's Miss Riddle. Today we're going to read Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. And if you like this book, what's really cool is the author and the publishing company made where you can go to HarperCollins Children's / Pete the Cat. HarperCollins Children / PeteTheCat.com. And you have activities and videos and coloring sheets and everything else of Pete the Cat. So, but ask your adults' permission. Our title page, a title that has the title of the book, the name of the author, and the name of the illustrator. The author is Eric Litwin. The illustrator is James Dean. Remember, a title is the name of a book, front cover, back cover, and the spine is what holds the pages of a book together. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes. Pete stepped in a pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? What color do you think it turned his shoes? Red! And the sign in sign language for red is red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing his song because everything is cool. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh, Pete stepped in a pile of blueberries. Blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? This is a sign for blue. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Along singing a song. Awesome. Awesome. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Pete stepped in a puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along singing a song. Groovy. Yeah, groovy. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red, and all the white washed away. What color were his shoes again? White. But now they are wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along singing his song. And look what he says. Rock and roll! Rock and roll! I love my wet shoes. I love my shoes. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good, yeah. I hope you enjoyed the book. And remember, Miss Riddle loves you.